I'm going to replace my OEM grips with Pro Grip. I'm going to use some hairspray, otherwise you could use grip glue. Going to cut my old grips off, so I'm going to use a Stanley knife, and the bar ends in the Honda CBR has screws, so a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get into it. I've pre-loosened these, so I'm just going to undo the bar end with the screwdriver. Now I'll use the Stanley knife to cut the grip off. This is the old grip glue, clean that off. Okay, so there's Pro Grip. There's two different sizes. As you can see, one's thicker than the other, and this wider hole goes on the throttle, and this one goes on this side, the clutch side. This one's a bit thicker than that one, so obviously when they're on there they feel the same thickness. I'm going to cut the ends out of this so the bar end goes on easier and fits better. Okay, so the end's cut out now. Now I'm going to spray some hairspray down the cylinder. This is going to be used as the glue, and hopefully it will slide on nice and easy. Position it to how you want it. I'm going to have mine straight up and down. This looks to be a bit longer than the OEM, just a little bit, but that bar end will hold it on beautifully. Now I just position the bar end back in. There's a flat spot on here that corresponds with a flat spot in here. Tighten up pretty tight. Looking good. Feels much better too. Those OEMs don't feel very nice at all. Okay, let's do the throttle side. As I said, I've already pre-loosened these. Okay, so I've sprayed this one, slid it on. This is probably a little bit harder to put on because there's dimples on the throttle. It's not too bad, fairly easy to go on. Make sure it doesn't ride over the throttle, so it's got lots of free play. Obviously you don't want this getting stuck. And this just sits over the edge. Put on the bar end. And then tighten it up. Just check, make sure it's not sticking anywhere. sure there's plenty of movement. That looks 100% better and feels a lot better. That was the installation of the Pro Grip onto the CBR 650R. You stayed along to the end. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, if you could subscribe, that'd be really good. And also give us a thumbs up. Catch you in the next one.